condor that just stayed there, right in between the people and the helicopter. And they would only let a few of us, the Indigenous Environmental Network and Ian Orville, and those that had birth certificates to be able to get an ID. And of course, they don't have birth certificates. And so we had to represent them, and it was a great sadness to, you know, that we had to leave them behind. But then when we got in the center to bless this document pleading with the world to stop damaging the Amazon, the condor was right in the middle of the UN, right in their yard, and an area where, you know, they would allow us to meet them, and it just hovered right above that document. It was phenomenal to witness. And so that's how I remember Rebecca during that time, and Helen, of course. I just want to make a quick announcement. The art place is opening up now, and they really want all the kids over there to be a part of the message tomorrow for us adults, and they're making a puppet show. So they really need all the kids over there. So if Merle would just skedaddle over there, we'd appreciate it. He's always skedaddling all over. No. Oh, I guess there was a condor here that visited us during the opening ceremony. Oh, so are you leaving? Oh, we'd like to really give thanks to the Harmony Keepers who did take care of us, and if we could, Merle, can you come and sing them a thank you song, and we'll shake their hands? Come on up.
Toka, toka, toka,